Hi guys, so I just unboxed the JBL Tune 120 TWS wireless earbuds. So inside the box is your wireless charger, your earbuds case, which is very compact and small and very nice rigid piece, and of course your JBL earbud. So the functioning of this earbud is very simple. As soon as you take out the earbud from your box, you simply press and hold this button for a few seconds, and then on the phone, your phone turn on your Bluetooth and then search for the JBL device, and then you are connected and you're ready to go. And this piece is very compact and sleek design. It's very rigid and nice one, just fits in your ear. Also comes with some extra earpiece for some different size to fit according to your size, and the sound quality is awesome. And also the plus point is when you make call, the quality is also very good, because some of the earbuds are not good at making calls. So whereas this one is very good for making calls as well as listening to music. So the function is very simple. If you want to listen to music, you simply play the music, and if you want to go to the next song, you press once on your left A button, and then the song will go to the next. And if you want to go next, just simply press one more time on the left button. And if you want to stop the song, press once to the right side of your earbuds. And if you want to pick up your phone, press once to the right button, and double click on the right buttons will activate the Google Assistance. So this particular piece is very simple to functions are very simple, and the music sound is awesome. So overall I will say this is worth buying for like $100 plus some $20 for the 2-year warranty or damage, like something like that. So guys, good luck and ciao.